How are you?
Why you? Fine, thank
No. Ah, okay, you're fine. Okay. Based on the dialogue between Joe and Joan, what are they going to play?
you. No card game. Play
Yes.
chess. Play chess.
Okay, very good. They are going to play chess. And what was the reason why they are going to play chess? They want to see who's the
Best?
complete the answer. Your answer is correct, but I want you to complete it. They want to see.
Who's the best?
Okay, yes. They want to see who's the best between Joe and Joan. That's why they are going to play chess. What is the favorite sport of Jack?
Golf.
No, are you sure? Are you sure that it's golf?
Better tennis.
Okay, again, what is the favorite sport of Jack?
Tennis.
Okay, tennis. And how about Phil? Phil.
Okay.
Try to
Your
recall.
spectator.
Yes. So Phil doesn't have any favorite sport because he is strictly an spectator, meaning to say he just watches the game.